With GAT Plus and GAT Unlock, admins can identify and delete the emails of any user in your domain. This can be helpful when dealing with security risks. To begin, we'll have to go to the email audit section of GAT Plus. Now we'll have to find the email. I'll create a custom filter and narrow down my search. There are several filtering options that can be applied depending on your use case. Apply a definition that best suits your search purpose. Once ready, apply the filter. Once you have found the email you are looking for, select the email by checking the box on the left, then select the Email Operations button. From the drop-down menu, select the option Create New Access Request. When requesting access, you'll have to specify the time frame, add a message for internal communication, and select the option Allow Removing Emails. When ready, send the request. Your request will be sent to your GAT Unlock security officer who will need to approve it. Once the request to access the email's content is approved, the admin can now navigate to the email audit section again and apply the same filter as before. You'll then be shown the same results as before, but this time the email should have a padlock icon offering additional options. You can even view the email contents. To delete the email, first select it by checking the box on the left and then the Email Operations button. From the list, select Remove Emails Permanent. Click Proceed and the email will now be deleted. That covers this GAT Labs how-to. Thanks for watching.
If you enjoyed this GAT Labs video, please like and subscribe and ring the bell for regular updates. You can also get a free 15-day trial of GAT Plus by following the link in the description.